I wanted people to be empowered and know that it's all an illusion. This whole thing is an illusion.
Hello, everybody, and everybody else. My name is ScrypKat, and this is ScrypKat Says. You may recognize this gentleman from Unclean Hands video a few days ago. If you're not subbed to Unclean Hands, why not? Get over there right now and give him some love. Tell him I sent you. I'll wait. Anyway, I watched that video and decided to find this person's channel and listen to the whole thing. To no one's surprise, I found myself shouting at the computer screen, "Who says?" and "Who told you that?" I also found him on TikTok. No, I don't have the app. I went to the website. This is him. Okay. Let's see what else he has to say.
Understand that there's context to this, okay? There's a lot of education that went in before I went to court, and there's a lot of things I would do differently than what you're seeing in the video. So don't be misled by the video to think that you're going to copy the words I said and somehow go in there and have the same results, you know.
I'm going to show a short clip of this trial that he's talking about.
For the record, my name is Ryan Thor. I'm the living man. I am not the entity known as Ryan Michael Thor, just to clear that. I am here on special appearance under threat, duress, and coercion to challenge subject matter jurisdiction and also personal jurisdiction as well. I filed my paperwork for you on Friday, and the clerk illegally denied it. I went again this morning and filed my paperwork again for you. The clerk again illegally denied it, even though I gave her a notice telling her it's a felony for her not to accept my paperwork. And actually, it's in law, it's considered filed when I gave it to her.
Okay.
So there.
What do you want to do today, sir?
Well, Your Honor, I mean, I'm going to have to ask a few questions first, which first of all is I need to understand the nature and the cause of the charges against me, as well as I need to know, is this a civil jurisdiction or criminal jurisdiction?
Okay, it's criminal jurisdiction.
Criminal.
It's traffic infraction court, so no possibility of going to jail on any of this. You settled one of your counts. You just proof of correction on August 26, 2022, or Ryan Michael Thor did. If you're are you saying that's not you?
Ryan Thor is the living man. Ryan Michael Thor is the defendant in error. It's the artificial person. So thank you, Your Honor. Let the record of the court show that the action against me is criminal. And now I have another question, because the Constitution grants us two different criminal jurisdictions, okay? One criminal jurisdiction is under the common law, and the other is under the criminal jurisdiction of admiralty or military tribunal venue from Article 1, Section 8, Clause 17 of the Constitution. Well, I need to know which of these two jurisdictions that you intend to try me. It's very important because they're done different ways. The rules of civil procedure are very different in a criminal jurisdiction, obviously for common law, and a military.
Civilly, no one's asking you, no. So we just need to show, were you able to cure your license with the DMV, or you don't know?
Your Honor, I need to get these other questions answered. I need to know what the jurisdiction is. And I need to know also who the injured party is. You know, the nature and cause of this. I need to know who the injured party is.
Okay,
I need to know who's bringing the claim.
How about, okay, the state is. So here's the deal. Do you want to have a trial date? I can give you many.
Thank you, Your Honor, but I don't think you'd be violating your oath of office by doing your duty under the Constitution. Okay?
Mr. Thor, I'm going to have to come back to your case because I have all these other cases, and I'll take all the time in the world to do you, because you see you add-on today? You know,
Your Honor, I just motioned for dismissal because if this is a criminal jurisdiction, as you're claiming, I need to see a verified complaint and I need, from the injured party, and I have to have an opportunity to face my accuser, as you mentioned at the beginning of this entire hearing. So who is the injured party? That's the question. Who's the injured party? Why am I here? I don't understand why I'm here.
He's paid $440 with 32 cents.
He paid $440.32?
Yes, that's what he's paid up to date.
Alright. Alright, so what else, so he just has count 1 and count 2, and he showed the proof of count 3?
Correct.
Alright, sir, I'm gonna just, exercise, my discretion, I'm gonna dismiss count 1 and dismiss count 2, and just order the fees that you've already paid to, cover court costs.
The judge was so rattled by his nonsense, she just wanted him out of her courtroom. The case was dismissed and the fees he paid were returned to him. Not the outcome he should have had, but I get the impression that this judge had not come up against this Mark Stevens type nonsense before.
Not to mention, each judge is different. You know, I've had people go in there and talk to the judge, and for some reason you get a judge that they want the smoke. They want you to take them to federal court. They want to put you through the whole ringer of everything. And that's actually why I've been out of touch right now, because I'm actually in federal court right now, litigating a case right now against a lot of evildoers.
I'm also a constitutional law scholar.
Ow! Where was I going with this? Oh yeah. Since he hasn't posted anything for a couple of months, I'm going to assume his federal lawsuit hasn't gone anywhere or was dismissed and he doesn't want to admit it. In summary, Ryan Michael Thor is just another narcissist who puts way too much emphasis on his own importance. No doubt he's setting up a website hawking his educational materials to other susceptible folks who don't understand the law. Any more of this gobbledygook, and I'll give myself a migraine. So that's it for this video. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.